Prestige Lifestyle ground floor apartment. 1 bedroom plus 1 study, 1 bath with a secured garage space. Are you looking for a central located property, Prestige Lifestyle with convenience of transport, M1 and Metricon all at hand? Then don't let this opportunity pass you by. Located in the Lexington building, this particular apartment is the cream of the crop, with its own private extensive balcony area to relax the evening away over a glass of wine. Imagine yourself strolling just a short distance to the parks and Metricon Stadium, while the rail station just a short walk and head to Brisbane or Robina Town Centre. This place is perfect for commuters, investors, students and retirees. Master bedroom, 2nd bedroom study, modern bathroom, key access to secure parking for 1 car space, ultra-modern kitchen with white stone bench tops, stainless steel dishwasher and range hood, large laundry with dryer, air conditioning and ceiling fans, double balcony with large outdoor area and yard with separate street access, hotel-like lobby area with large common courtyard. Rental market $320 per week. Vacant and ready to move in. NRAS approved. The owner is ready to sell now, so don't delay.